Hi kids, today we will learn about wild animals. Let's start. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Lion, lion. Leopard, leopard. Bear, bear. Elephant, elephant. Deer, deer. Hyena, hyena. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Zebra, zebra. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Monkey, monkey. Rabbit, rabbit. Panda, panda. Porcupine, porcupine. Wolf, wolf. Giraffe, giraffe. Gorilla, gorilla. Mongoose, mongoose. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.